I know we're going to see no picnic. It bring back too much memories. I know all the parents make that miss so much and I wonder if I have a problem I have with the picnic them. Because the morning time when I stand in my schoolyard there, so I miss the parents come drop off them picnic me, I wonder if them have violence I yard. Mr. Picnic pass me with suitcase. Good morning, sir. Mr. Della, where this I wanna go. I don't know if the government really understand what they're doing, but I believe that the Ministry of Education don't have a clue what them do. In primary school when we grew up, our teachers used to murder we. We're not born in a luxury now, we don't have rights. The rights so we did have a football when we were at school. So now, things and time change. I remember my primary school teacher in grade 3 give me a lick across my back every now and then me feel it. For one silly reason, you know, primary school teachers used to get extra lunch on Fridays. And when they come in the class, nigga write his kick in and then drop asleep. Them always put a maths on the board when nobody in the class don't know. And send you up one by one to go work it out. And if you make no mistake, you get a slap. Now that particular day, she put LCM on the board. And send me up there to go work it out. When me go, me get it wrong. And she hit me. 1 month ago before school break, my nephew come home from school. Me say the minister no know what them do. The boy you do homework and me pass and peep in a book. Mathematics. And me look at the instruction. Find the LCM for the following. Me say lock up a book. If it lasts for so long and then can't find it, you're not going to find it. Shut it up, shut it up. And I am a very outspoken person, you see. And I remember when I hit primary school in grade 1, the teacher round me out so me not have no manners. Me just outspoken. Now we know that a teacher go to college for 5 or 4 years go study and come back to teach we. We know so them know everything. So the first day I was in my class, grade 1, the teacher run me out. She go college and come back know everything. She go up to the board and write a word on it. And then she turn around and of all the person in the class and me, she pine pan. I say, boy, what is this word? Me say if you go college and don't know what me I go know. So she run me out so me not have no manners. And then I believe now say teaching is good thing, so me say me going to get into it. And right now I'm a teacher and I'm the kindest teacher in Jamaica. Was. Anytime I go to school those days, me not pass any of my students. As long as I have space, I pick them up. I cut it out. I don't care one more in there. One evening I was going through the gate, heavy rain coming down. I saw 5 students standing there. Me know them I go wait up. So me with me kind self stop. Me say 4 of you come. All 5 of them come inside. I say I cannot carry all 5 of you. Somebody will have to go. Nobody move them sit down, see me if I feed them vehicle. Me say somebody have to go. Nobody move them sit same way. I say you know what? The ugliest person please leave. Nobody move them sit down same way. More than the little girl on the front touch me. I say then who I go drive.